In-House Payment Plan. Customize interest rate, fuel business growth. How to create an in-house payment plan. Go to Home and then click on Finance a Customer on your dashboard. Select In-House Payment Plan from the Payment Plan options. Enter service name and price. Click on Add New Service to add more services. You can add your terms and conditions by checking the box given below. Proceed by clicking Continue. Enter the interest rate you want to charge from your customer. Click Continue to move to the next step. Enter the down payment amount and click on the Continue button. Choose a payment plan that fits your customer needs. To create a tailored plan for your customer, click on Add Custom Plan. You can create a custom plan by entering payment terms or recurring amount and click on Add Plan. The custom plans will appear like this. Select the payment plan you want to create. You can either choose to send proposal or continue to finance a customer. If you want to send proposal link, choose the payment plans you want to include in the proposal. Click on Confirm to proceed further. Enter customer details. You can change the proposal validity duration. Click on Send Proposal to proceed further. The proposal has been successfully sent. Your customer will receive an email. The customer can access the proposal by clicking on the provided link or the View Payment Plan button. The customer can access and compare all the payment plans you have shared in the proposal and choose the most suitable option to complete the process. If you want to finance a customer instantly, choose the payment plan you want to create and click on Continue. Fill out your customer's details and press Continue. Add some more details. Denefits instantly validates your customer's information. Upon successful verification, a congratulations message will appear on your dashboard. Change the recurring payment start date as per your customer's needs. You can either send payment link to your customer or continue by clicking on Confirm. If you want to send payment link, add your customer's details and click on Continue. Payment link has been successfully sent to the customer. Your customer will receive an email where they can click on the link provided or View Payment Plan button. The customer will be redirected to a page where they can review the proposed service plan from you. If your customer wants to pay via card, click on Confirm. Fill out the card details of your customer and continue to create in-house payment plan. If the customer wants to use the same card to pay the recurring payment, click on Yes. Otherwise, click on No. Add New to add another card for recurring payments. Confirm the payment details by clicking on the Confirm button. Congratulations! In-house payment plan has been successfully created with Denefits. Summary: enjoy the flexibility to set your own interest rates and create tailored plans to meet your customers' needs. Above all, you keep the interest. No upfront, no reserve payment. Start earning recurring revenue as soon as the customer pays the first installment. The in-house payment plan offers customers the ability to instantly access payment plans, regardless of their credit history. By providing a seamless financing experience, you can increase customer loyalty and drive repeat business.